Exit.
What is totally unique about this display is going to be flying with drones. We've been working for 2 years on this display. We've been building up working with ground fireworks, and actually the skills we've learned are very transferable to now flying with drones.
Straight away you go and think, well, it's never done before, you have a safety zone for a certain reason. What made it possible was the great communication with AeroSparx. We realized when reviewing the project from different angles that it was something that was actually possible to do.
Think of the team as we're one element. Yes, there's a ground-based sort of element to it, there's an audio-visual element to it, there's obviously an aviation element to it. So each one of those stakeholders we have to work with and sit down and talk to.
AeroSparx were always on the cards because it was something new, exciting, and it worked well within the creative canvas. AIM in general, we try to work with people that have like-minded spirits, I guess, work hard and really enjoy what they do.
AeroSparx has been flying drones for 5 years now with the display team. Initially we were flying 1 drone at a time. We've gradually upscaled that to sometimes 2 or 3 drones at a time. The process of scaling up from 3 organically moving drones to a swarm of pre-programmed drones is actually very simple.
The first night was special. What we decided together was that we could put in light flashes or light markers within the choreography that would give an indication to the pilots on when a certain formation would start or when a formation is about to end. Because of the meetings we had in advance and the reality being exactly what we had shown, they felt so comfortable to already engage.
When I did it for real as the team lead of AeroSparx, it only reinforced what I expected to see, which then gave me some confidence that actually there would be no surprises. And for a show of this nature that's taken 2 years to plan, to be there on day 1 feeling very comfortable and happy was a great feeling to have. I think the most important thing with this display is the team, the professionalism, working together, bringing all these elements together, creating something that is, as I say, a world first. One of the elements around that we've had to train for a week is the timing.
20 seconds. 10 seconds. Now.
We're doing very simple maneuvers, but the timing is critical. So every key point, we know whether we're a few seconds ahead or a few seconds behind, and then we can adjust to then bring the time back to time code.
You were 5 seconds late on the lead exhaust. Everything else was going on. Yeah, roger that, thank you. Maneuver 1, maneuver 2, and linking into 3 works perfectly.
Every so often with my time with AeroSparx, I have a pinch me moment. This display was the biggest pinch me moment I've ever had. It was absolutely incredible.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that, please give us a like, leave a comment and subscribe.